I found this amazing wooden dog at a car boot sale this weekend, looking sad and forgotten, and to be honest with you, abused for years. I picked it up for just £2, and the story the seller told me was that he was destined for the wood chipper, and him and his wife argued, and he said he'd sell the dog. She wanted a binnet. Let me show you just how sad and worn out he was. He's dry, he's cracking, he's just really worn, cracks everywhere where he's just dried out. Look at him. They really haven't looked after this dog at all. This is how he looked when I found him. He desperately needed me to save him. Now he looks like a boxer or a mastiff. He's got a big head, strong muscular body. He's carved from a single piece of wood with great form and good balance. I think it's mid-century. But it's just really nice big item, and it's about 14 inches tall at the guess, give or take. Looking at the cracks and everything else in the head and the back, this dog has had years and years of neglect, but I saw his potential. I knew just the love he needed. Now, he's never been polished or waxed. He's so dry, he's cracked all over. You can see me here applying a simple beeswax and stain. Normally, you'd clean the piece before waxing to clean. You can wipe it with a damp cloth, or you can use a bit of very fine wire wool, or even find a piece of sandpaper. But I didn't want to over-restore him. I wanted that uneven, that natural finish with the darker spots. He's already got cracks and aging. I wanted the aging visible. I wanted the character. I didn't want to sand him down to one tone and then just apply the wax so he's just all one colour. In other words, I didn't want to over-restore him. Now, I applied a lot of wax so it can soak into the wood. Sometimes I wax him twice. Once the wax dries, I buff it to a high shine. Then I finish with a simple furniture polish for a little extra shine. Now, it's not a French polish like a furniture restorer would do, but you know what? They come up looking good. I'm no professional restorer, but I just wanted to bring this baby back to life and find him a forever home. Here's how he looks now. Now you can see he's absolutely gorgeous. He's got character, he's got tones. He's not all one colour. He's still got way, you can still see his age and the way. He's still been a neglected dog, you can see that. But you know what? Somebody's going to look at that now and they're going to love him. Look at the warmth in this colour here. That is all beautiful shine, lovely warmth. Again, you can see the cracks running down the back and in the head, but I filled them all in with the wax and the stains, and that will dry. There he is in natural light, looking absolutely beautiful. Now, for £2, that needed saving. Now, I'm going to share some tips with you if you collect carvings or if you have some wood carvings around the house. Use a bit of linseed oil or some beeswax to keep them moist and soft. If it's an antique and you're unsure what to do with it, get expert advice or leave it alone, don't touch it, right? The last thing you want to do is start stripping something clean and devaluing it. Don't display carvings in windows and direct sunlight or near radiators. This poor dog had been stored next to a radiator for years, and you saw the damage it did to him. Now, that was a lovely carving out of a single piece of wood. Somebody took a long time to carve that for it to just be neglected. Now, my name is Walter O'Neill, and I'm the founder of antiquesarena.com. This is my day job, so I take it seriously, and I absolutely love it. My website has thousands of items and articles, and my YouTube channel has over 1,000 videos, all designed to share my love and knowledge of antiques with you. So if you enjoyed the video, please consider liking and commenting. What do you think of the dog, how he's turned out now? Would you have saved him? Would you have spotted him at a car boot sale in desperate need? Would you pay £2 for him? I can tell you now, he's going to be going out for about £45 to £50 now with the character and looking for a forever home. Now, if you got something out of the video, then I would ask that you please share the video, or if you know somebody who'd get something from my channel, I share everything I can to do with antiques. And if you got someone, you know someone who loves antiques, recommend the channel to them. Helps me and helps them. Now, if this is the type of video you like, then why not check out a haul video, one of my recent haul videos. It'll be in the end card that comes up now. Click on that and go and have a look at one of my haul videos, see the type of things I buy in weekly. I have such a diverse array of items. I literally have something for every taste. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.